here we have SOHCAHTOA. Hamza, this is in the trigonometry mnemonic, you can say. We keep remember various things. First of all, just learn that this S means sine. Actually, it is full is SINE, but you will see that everywhere we write down it like SIN sine. And this is C, which is cosine, but we often say, or you can say that 99.9999% we say it as cos. And this is tangent, but we 99.9999% we say it as tan. Okay, so first of all, you just see, just keep them. Remember that these are three trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, and tan. These are trigonometric ratios. Now, what is O? O is representing opposite, and H is representing hypotenuse, and A is representing the adjacent, and yeah, exactly the same. So remember one thing again, Hamza, that these are trigonometric ratios, and these trigonometric ratios are very much important. These are used to find out the angles, or using angle we find out the sides of a right angle triangle or stuff like that. So I will not take much time. So therefore, just let's go into the triangle. So let's say I have this right angled triangle, you know. So
Hmm.
if this is, that this side is hypotenuse, and if I will be taking this angle as theta, okay, this angle as theta, or this is the angle that I will be discussing. Actually, it is like this one, simple theta. Then this side is the opposite side, and this side is called as the adjacent side. So now, if I just write down saw, then if I just write down no, sorry, it is SOHCA, SOHCAHTOA. Okay, as I told you earlier that S means sine theta, and sine theta is equal to opposite, O mean opposite, and H mean hypotenuse. So you can just write down O over H as well. Okay, so you can say that this is
Hmm.
opposite over hypotenuse. Then it is C for cos theta, and A is the adjacent over hypotenuse. Then T is for tan, we say tan theta, and O is the opposite and A is the adjacent. And these are the ratios, trigonometric ratios. Are you getting my point or not, Hamza?
Yeah.
So how do we use them? We use them like this. For example, if I have a triangle like this one, and let's say this is the triangle, and here you will see that how do we have to make our concept. So if this is theta, and if this is alpha, or let's say if this is x, let's say this is x as well, and if this is 5, and if this is 12, and if this is 13, so we are going to do it like this one, that we will find out sine theta, and we will also find out sine x. We will find out cos theta, and we will also find out cos x. We will find out tan theta, and we will also find out tan x. Remember that in GCSE and IGCSE or O level, in your next coming classes, these are just like base of trigonometry. The examiner will not ask you similar type of things. Examiner will give you a complex shape in which this will be a little part that you will be solving. So it is important that we should start making our base from now. This is a good time.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is for sine? For sine, you know that we have so mean opposite. So if I just consider theta, theta is this angle. The angle opposite to theta is, sorry, the length opposite to theta is 12. So we'll say it is 12 over hypotenuse, easy, it is 13.
Yeah.
For cos theta, the adjacent, so we have, no, it is not, yeah, it's fine. So, ka, it is CAH, ka. Ka mean this is adjacent. So adjacent of theta is 5. So we'll do 5 over 13. 13 is the adjacent. For tan, we know that SOHCAHTOA. So TOA. So T is for tan theta. So it is opposite side is 12 over adjacent is 5. So it is like this one. So these trigonometric ratios will be written like this. But we have something else as well along with this. Let's do how to write down that. So if I say if this is the angle x in our consideration, or if we have taken this angle for our calculation, then opposite to this red angle or x is 5. So mean, again, so mean opposite over hypotenuse, opposite over hypotenuse. So it will be 5 over 13. And cos, you know that it is ka, adjacent. So adjacent to this red angle or x is 12. So I will write down 12 over 13. And you know that we have toa as well. And opposite is 5, adjacent is 12. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, I get it. I got it.
Yeah, that's good.
Thanks.
Similarly, we will do more onto this. Let's do another triangle now. So
Okay.
let's say triangle is like this one, something like this, tilted.
Okay.
And this is the 90 degrees. This is a symbol of 90 degrees. And something opposite to 90 degrees, you know that it is um, hypotenuse. Let's say if this is the A, this is B, and this is C, then the length which is opposite to A is small a, which is hypotenuse as well. The length opposite to B is small b, which is, and C is here. This length is C, right? We can also,
Yes.
we can, you know that, I'm just like, most of the time we write down these things. Most of the time we write down these things. Oh my God. So most of the time we write down these things of outside of the triangle, like this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now, Hamza, the examiner will not say what is sine A, but examiner can say what is, let me change the color of the ink. Examiner will say what is sine B. Examiner will say what is cos B. Examiner can say that what is tan B as well. These are three trigonometric ratios. So cos B, we are considering this angle. Cos B mean this angle, right? It is not necessarily be that every time he will be giving you theta. So sine B will be like this one. So you know that sine means sa, S-A-H, sa. No, so opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite of B is small b over adjacent is A. Sorry, hypotenuse is A. Oh, just a second. Yeah, I hope you can see my screen, Hamza.
Hello? Yes. Sorry, my device just shut down.
Yeah, that's fine.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. So here we are now. So I was saying that if we have it like this, so cos is that CAH. Now if B is the angle, then adjacent of B is C. So we say that
Yeah.
it is C over A because A is the hypotenuse. And tan B, tan has the tan is like this, toa. So you can just quickly recall this thing like sa o toa. So this is no, it is SOHCAHTOA. So cos is adjacent over hypotenuse and tan is opposite over. So opposite of B is small b and this is C, the adjacent. Similarly, examiner can also say that using same triangle as this one, find out what is sine C, what is cos C, and what is tan C. So the ratio of sine C, because this is the angle C now. Now opposite of C is C. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So therefore it will be C over A. Cos C will be now this will remain as adjacent always. Sorry, this will remain as hypotenuse always. So this will be adjacent of C. So you say that it is B over A. And what is tan C? Tan C is obviously opposite over adjacent. So opposite is C, adjacent is B. So it is like this. So when you change the uh, position of the angle, it's that the name of opposite side and the adjacent side also changes. Anyway, we do it like this one. I hope you get it. Did you get, Hamza?
Yeah, I get it.
Oh, okay. So we'll do till here, and we'll do a few things in the next class, inshallah. Okay. Take care.
Okay.
Allah Hafiz.